Hello everyone, this is your biology teacher from your YouTube channel. Welcome back to your another video lecture of your chapter second, that is reproduction in flowering plant. In last video lecture we had discussed about the pollination, different type of pollination, that is self pollination and cross pollination. But now I am going to discuss about the pollen pistil interaction. After the process of pollination, there is a need of proper proper interaction between pollen and pistil. For fertilization, pollen have to reach at the proper place, that is inside the embryo sac. What is pollen and pistil interaction includes? It is the sequence of events that occurs from the time of pollen deposition over the stigma to the time of pollen tube entering into the ovule. And these sequences are expressed in the following way that I mentioned. The number first is compatibility check. Before get fertilized, there is a need to check out the compatibility of the pollen. First of all the stigma of pollen grains check whether they are compatible to each other or not. The second one is there is a need of development of pollen tube. Pollen tube germinate when stigma provides sugar and calcium ion to the pollen grain. Pollen tube, it is understood when pollen tube in pollen tube is have their all nutrient for nourishment. It obviously it is developed. Pollen tube will further develop and increase its size. Pollen tube will move toward the style. Its movement depend upon the chemicals secreted by synergids, or we can say that it show the chemotactic effect, that is towards the chemicals, movement toward the chemicals. After pollen tube formation, synergid cell become degenerates. After the development of pollen tube, there is a need of entry of pollen tube into the ovule. So the pollen, after the entry of pollen tube in the ovule, the gametes are easily transferred to the waiting egg. So pollen tube can enter into the ovule by three methods, that is chalazogamy from chalazal side, it could be mesogamy from integuments, it could be porogamy from micropyllid. Whereas entry by the porogamy is most prominent in the plant case. After the entry of pollen tube, there is need of entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac. So that is the next step, the entry of pollen tube in the embryo sac. The entry of pollen tube occurs in degenerative synergids, where the filiform apparatus breaks the tip of pollen tube of release the male gamete, which are further transformed toward female gamete by central cell. So here are some pre-fertilization steps which are carried out by pollen and the pistil, and that is called pollen pistil interaction. In the next video we will discuss about the last process, that is fertilization, the main process for the reproduction, that is fertilization. So thank you.